Hello guys, this is Suyash Goyal signing in. I hope you all are doing very well. So I welcome you all in this YouTube session, guys. First of all, in which we are going to talk about coordinate geometry for class 9. So we are going to cover all the every aspects that we have as far as the coordinate geometry for class 9 is concerned. So quickly, guys, to begin with, I would like to have a quick touch base with all of you. So, all of you who are there who can hear me right now, guys, please tell me, are you there? Hello, Samriddhi Nag, how are you? Can you hear me, everyone out there, guys? Can you hear me, guys? All of you who are there, can you hear me, everyone? Am I audible to all of you? Come on, tell me, guys, quickly, so that we can start with our session, with our discussion on coordinate geometry for class 9. Okay, yeah, guys. So basically, when we are talking about coordinate geometry for class 9, we need to understand one thing, that it's all about graphs that we discuss in this particular chapter. Okay, everything that is related to your graph, okay, everything that is related to your graph, we talk about all those things when we are talking about coordinate geometry. Cool. And that is what we're going to talk about now. So in today's session, we will be talking about coordinate geometry by using what? By using our graphs, our Cartesian plane, our Cartesian system, our x's, x-axis, y-axis. We will be using them and we will be learning about our coordinate geometry. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, we will be learning our coordinate geometry for class 9. Okay. Hello, Prasanna. How are you? Can you hear me? Let's move forward, guys. Now, starting with Unacademy. So why we are here on Unacademy? This is Unacademy YouTube channel, guys. Hello, Ankit. How are you? This is Unacademy YouTube channel, guys. When I'm talking about Unacademy is an application which you can download in your mobiles, and Unacademy provides you access to unlimited courses of all the subjects. So talking about your particular class, let's talk about all the classes 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. Even if you are in any class, what you can do is you can simply download Unacademy learning app. You can simply go with Unacademy Plus subscription, and you will be able to attend live sessions. Okay, you will be able to attend. Yes, Ankit, I do that. So you will be able to attend the live sessions with the best educators on Unacademy. Am I clear? You will be able to attend all the live sessions with the educators that we have on Unacademy. You will be able to attend all the topics. You will be able to cover all the topics. Unacademy पर अगर आप ज्वाइन करते हो तो आपका हिंदी, आपका मैथ्स, आपका इंग्लिश, आपका साइंस, सोशल साइंस, सारे सब्जेक्ट्स जो है वो कवर्ड होते हैं. वी हैव एजुकेटर्स फॉर ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स, और आप उन सारे एजुकेटर्स से लाइव जो है वो पढ़ सकते हो. ओके, कूल. Apart from this, guys, one very important thing and very good thing is कि यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई 6 months में एक बार टेस्ट या 5 months में एक बार टेस्ट ऐसा नहीं होता. So we have weekly quizzes. Whatever you are learning in a week, whatever you are learning in a week, you will be having a quiz based on that at the end of the week. Okay. And similarly, after every 3-4 sessions, there is going to be a doubt clearing session, जिसमें कि अगर आपको तो कुछ भी जो समझ में नहीं आया है या any question if you have that you want to clarify, you can always ask all your doubts. Okay. Talking about further, guys, so Unacademy Plus subscription लेने के लिए you have multiple packages available. Okay, so you can either go with 3-month subscription, 1-month subscription, 6-month subscription, or 12-month subscription. और वहाँ पर if you use this referral code, this is my referral code SG08, you can use it, and when you use it, you will be able to get flat 10% discount on the subscription charges. Okay, so all those who do not know me, guys, my name is Suyash Goyal, and I have been associated with Unacademy since November 2017. I love to teach, and that is why I am here. Okay, Ankit, we will discuss that later. अभी हम लोग वो discuss नहीं कर रहे हैं, but yes, soon there will be a complete session, there will be a complete course on the syllabus, जहाँ पे कि सिलेबस डिस्कस करेंगे कि कितना सिलेबस रिड्यूस हुआ है एंड टोटल अब कितना सिलेबस बचा है. Okay, so soon we'll have that session as well, but right now the agenda is different. So guys, here we are. So if you can see here, we have the pricing plan as well. अगर आप देखो तो 1 month का सब्सक्रिप्शन चार्ज जो है वो 2500 रुपीज़ है, and this 2500 you cover all the subjects. इसी तरीके से if I talk about the 12 month subscription, so the charge that we have for 12 month subscription, that is only rupees 12,000. Okay, so if you calculate तो आपको 1000 रुपीज पर मंथ में सारे सब्जेक्ट्स का अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस मिल रहा है. Hindi, English, Science, Maths, SST, all the subjects are being covered at 1000 rupees per month, जो कि आपका 12 month का पैकेज है. एंड उसके ऊपर भी if you use my referral code SG08 you will be able to get 10% flat discount on this as well. Okay, so guys, all of you please do it quickly because we are running with the course, and if you want to run with us, come on, join us now. Talking about the topic that we have, I want to understand one thing, guys, and then I would like to proceed with this. I want to know, what do you mean by coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry क्या है and why do we need coordinate geometry? Can you tell me a very simple, a very basic reason behind coordinate geometry, that why we learn coordinate geometry? Can you give me the answer, guys, everyone out there? Why we need coordinate geometry? What is the requirement of coordinate geometry in our daily life? Why do we need it? Come on, guys, tell me. Why do we need coordinate geometry? A very simple, straight question to you. Do I have any answer? I mean, is anyone gonna answer? Yes or no? Please tell me quickly, guys. Do you know? See, I'm not looking for a full-fledged answer कि आपको मुझको proper definition देना है. I'm just looking for a touch base कि आप जब coordinate geometry के बारे में सुनते हो, when you hear the word coordinate geometry, what it means to you? What comes to your mind in the first place कि coordinate geometry ये है, इसका use ये है? What comes to your mind? That's what I'm asking. Come on, guys, take active participation. Tell me, what do you think about it? Okay, cool. So basically, when we are talking about coordinate geometry, what comes to my mind is nothing but this. That's all. That is the only thing that comes to my mind. Whenever I want to find out the address of any point, okay, whenever I want to find out the address of any point, if I have multiple points, I have multiple lines, if I want to find out the address of any point, I use my coordinate geometry. How and why? So guys, basically if I ask you that you need to give me your address, you need to provide me your address, so how would you provide me your address? You will simply say, sir, that मैं ऐसे ऐसे इस यहाँ पर इस area में street number 5, street number 7 and house number 5, 7, 10, 55, 45, 47, 48 could be. Okay, this is how you will tell me your address. So if you see, if you want to talk about address, you are giving me the street number so that it becomes clear to me that in which street are you living. Then you are giving me the house number so that it becomes clear to me that which is the house number, let's say 4, and by that I am able to reach to your house. उस तरीके से मैं आपके house तक पहुंच रहा. Similarly guys, if we take a very simple scenario, इसी तरीके से अगर मैं एक बहुत basic सी बात बोलूं, so let's say you have a paper over there, okay, can you see the paper? This is a paper that you have, okay, this is a paper that you have, and on this paper you have a point over here, okay, you have a point over here. Now if you want to find out the location or the address of this point, can you tell me what will be the address of this point? Or I say it in such a way, if you want to find out the address of this point, can you tell me what will be the address of this point, this point? What will be the address of this point, can you tell me? And how will you find out the address of this point? हाँ जी, come on, tell me guys. Understand. Now let's say we have different students who are giving me different answers. Okay, so one student says that sir, अगर you want to reach to this point, then ये point जो है ना, this point is located 9 centimeter above the bottom, 9 सेंटीमीटर अबव द बॉटम ऑफ द पेपर. क्योंकि ये मेरा एक पेपर है एंड इस पेपर पर ये एक पॉइंट है और मुझसे किसी ने बोला कि सर ये पॉइंट जो है ना आपका, ये आपका 9 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर है. ओके, जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ 9 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर है गाइस, सो बेसिकली इट विल बी समवेयर हियर. नाउ दिस इज 9 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर. वेरी गुड. बट इफ यू फोकस, कांट यू से दैट दिस इज आल्सो 9 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर, दिस इज आल्सो 9 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर. ओके, दिस इज आल्सो 9 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर, then this is also your 9 centimeter ऊपर. Okay, this is also your 9 centimeter ऊपर. yes or no? So all these points are, जितने भी पॉइंट आपके यहाँ पर लाई करेंगे, इस लाइन पर जितने भी पॉइंट्स लाई करेंगे, ये सारे पॉइंट्स आपके क्या हैं, 9 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर है from the bottom of the page. How many of you got this or not? Come on, tell me guys, are we clear with this, everyone out there? Everyone clear with this till here or not? Come on, tell me guys. Yes or no? Can I say it in this way? Similarly, if I ask someone else, मैंने एक दूसरे बच्चे से पूछा, he told me कि सर जो आपका point है ना, your point is 5 centimeter towards right from the left side. So this is your left side, ये side आपकी left side है और इस left side से 5 centimeter right की तरफ है, which means किसी ने मेरे को बोला कि सर आपका point यहाँ पर कहीं lie कर रहा है. अब 5 सेंटीमीटर राइट की तरफ ये पॉइंट भी हो सकता है, 5 सेंटीमीटर राइट ये भी 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 है, एंड सो ऑन. तो बेसिकली अगर आप देखो गाइस कि अगर मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको एक इंफॉर्मेशन दूं कि मेरा पॉइंट 5 सेंटीमीटर राइट है या मेरा पॉइंट 9 सेंटीमीटर अप है, तो ये इंफॉर्मेशन मेरे लिए इनफ नहीं है. यस और नो? This information is not enough for me. Yes or no? With this information I am not able to plot my point exactly. Okay, I'm not able to find out the location, because when I'm saying that my point is 9 centimeter upwards from the bottom line, it means my point could be anywhere on this line. And similarly, when I'm saying that my point is 5 centimeter towards the right from the left, it means my point could be anywhere on this line. You got it? Am I clear? You got this? Telling you once again. So when you are saying point is 9 centimeter above from the bottom, point could be anywhere on this line. And when you are saying point is 5 centimeter towards the right from the left, it means your point could be anywhere on this line. Okay, this is what the scenario that we have. But guys, अगर मैं आपको ये दोनों information साथ दूं, if I tell you about both these things, that my point is 9 centimeter above and 5 centimeter right, so you can see that there is an intersection. And this intersection will give me what? This intersection will give me the point that I'm talking about. तो अगर मैं सिर्फ एक information देता हूँ, okay, if I provide you with only one information, then that is not enough for me. Okay, if I provide you with just one information, that 9 centimeter up or 5 centimeter right, that is not enough for you. But if I provide you with both the information that the point is 9 centimeter up and 5 centimeter right, then you are able to find out your point, that is this point. Okay, and that is why guys, if you focus, that is why we say always कि जब भी हमें कोई भी point plot करना होता है अपने Cartesian plane में, whenever I am looking forward to plot any point in my Cartesian plane, I always talk about two coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, cool. ये रीजन है कि हम लोग x और y दो कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्यों रखते हैं, एक ही कोऑर्डिनेट क्यों नहीं रखते, क्या जरूरत है हमें दो पॉइंट्स की, बिकॉज अगर मुझे कोई भी पॉइंट की लोकेशन को या एड्रेस को मेंशन करना है, आई वुड नीड एटलीस्ट टू कोऑर्डिनेट्स x and y. By using those two coordinates x and y, I can simply find out point in the Cartesian system, in the Cartesian plane. Otherwise I will not be able to find out the point. You got this everyone? Okay, now talking about this, what is x and what is y and how do we do it? So guys, what we do is, हम एक काम करते हैं, we have a number line. This is what our number line is. ऐसी हमारी एक number line होती है. Yes or no? Hello Hemant, how are you? This is the kind of number line that we have, right? Now when I'm talking about this number line, guys, you need to understand one thing, that I just did what? I just take this number line as a vertical line as well, like this. Okay, so when I'm having this vertical line, I'm gonna put it over here. मैं उसको एक line को इसी पे लगाऊंगा and मेरे पास finally यहाँ पे दो axes बन के आएंगे जिनको मैं बोलता हूँ कुछ ऐसे. I have a vertical axis, guys, please write it down if you are writing. This is the vertical axis that we call y-axis, and this is the horizontal axis that we call x-axis. Am I clear? You got this? We have a vertical axis that we call y-axis, and we have a horizontal axis that we call x-axis. Am I clear or not, guys? You got this, everyone? Make sense? Everyone out there, come on, tell me. Hemant, is that clear to you? I'm good, Hemant. Thanks for asking. Are we clear till here, everyone? Okay, let's move forward now. So I have x-axis, that's what I told you. I have y-axis, that's what I told you. If I'm talking about these two axes, guys, now you need to understand कि हमारे पास scenario कैसा होता है. Okay, so in both these axes, guys, what happens is just a minute, guys. Yeah, so in both these points, what happens, guys, is this, that you have this y-axis over here, and then you have this x-axis over here. Talking about these two axes, x-axis is known as the horizontal axis. Okay, please write it down if you are having your pen and paper. X-axis is known as what? X-axis is known as the horizontal axis, and y-axis is known as the vertical axis. Okay, the point of intersection of these axes. Okay, the point of intersection of these two axes, which is lying over here, the point of intersection of these two axes is known as origin, जिसको हम लोग O से denote करते हैं. Okay, जिसको हम लोग O से denote करते हैं, and that origin is having coordinates 0, 0. Okay, वो हमारा एक तरीके से हम बोले कि वो हमारा होता है reference point. Okay, जहाँ से हम लोग सारे distances measure करते हैं. Cool. So my origin will be known as a point of reference, and that is the intersection point of x-axis and y-axis having the coordinate 0, 0. Now understand, what is 0, 0? When I'm talking about the point 0, 0, what do I mean by this, guys? By this I mean that my x is 0 and my y is also 0. Am I clear? That means what? That means that my x is 0 and my y is also 0. Yes or no? You got this, everyone? Got this point? Okay. Now when your x is 0 and your y is 0, that will be lying over here at this point. At this point, the origin that we have, at this point, your x and y both are 0. Am I clear or not? You got this? Now, how do we move over here? अब हम क्या करते हैं कि जब हम बात कर रहे हैं अपने x एक्सिस और y एक्सिस की, गाइस, सो now when I'm talking about my x axis and y axis, if you see over here, this is your y axis. Okay, this is your y axis, this is your negative y axis, this is your x axis, and this is your negative x axis. Now what happens, guys, is this, that when I'm talking about origin and when I'm talking about these four quadrants over here, I'm talking about these two axes over here. So don't you think ये axes जो आपने बनाई हैं y और x, इस axis ने आपके इस पूरी कहानी को 4 different sections में break करा है. First section is this is your first section. Am I clear? This is your first section, this complete part, this is your first section, right? This one. Okay, talking about the second one, this is the second section that you have, guys, this one. This is your second section, yes or no? This section. Talking about the third one, this is your third section, guys, yes or no? This section is your third section, yes or no? Come on, tell me. And talking about the fourth section, guys, this is your fourth section, yes or no? So when you simply have drawn these lines y and x, so basically the whole page has been divided into 4 different sections, and we call these 4 sections to be the 4 quadrants. इन फोर सेक्शंस को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? इन फोर सेक्शंस को हम लोग फोर क्वाड्रेंट बोलते हैं, वेयर दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is your fourth quadrant. Am I clear with this, everyone? Hello Ashraj, how are you? You got this, guys? Everyone clear with this? Everyone solid till this point or not? Please tell me quickly. You got it? So this is known as your first quadrant, this is known as your second quadrant, this is known as your third quadrant, and this is known as your fourth quadrant. And हर एक कोई इसको इसी तरीके से याद रखेगा, that you can see over here as well. Now guys, let's talk about the quadrants. अब जरा quadrant की बात करते हैं, ठीक है? अगर quadrants में बात करें हम लोग तो देखो x axis के दो पार्ट हैं. If you go right side towards your origin, if you go right to your origin, this is what we call positive x-axis. If you go left to your origin, like here, this is what we call negative x-axis. If you go above of your origin, this is what we call positive y-axis, and if you go below your origin, this is what we call negative y-axis. Am I clear? What do we mean by positive y-axis, positive x-axis, negative y-axis, or negative x-axis? Okay, let's focus again. So when I'm talking about x-axis to be positive, you can see guys, I'm having points like 1, just like we plot the points on number line. इसी तरीके से मैं अपने सारे points इसमें plot कर दूंगा. तो मेरे पास points आएंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Here I will be having points -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and so on. You got this? Okay. So on the right hand side of your origin you have +1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the left hand side of your origin you have -1, 2, 3, 4, -5, -6, -7 and so on. You got it? If I talk about above the origin, so above the origin what you have? Above the origin you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. And if you talk about below the origin, so below the origin we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Am I clear with this? You got this? Everyone clear till here or not? Come on, tell me. Hemant, Eshraj, Ankit, Prasanna, Samriddhi, everyone guys, come on, tell me quickly. Are we clear till this point or not? ये बात सबको समझ में आती है यहाँ तक या नहीं? Yes or no? Hello AWM Groza, how are you? Okay, so when we are clear till here guys, let's talk about something else. I am saying that above my origin we have a positive y-axis, below my origin I have a negative y-axis, on the right hand side of my origin we have the positive x-axis, and on the left hand side of my origin I have a negative x-axis. Yes or no? We got this? अब चलते हैं आगे. Now when I will be moving forward with this guys, you need to understand one more thing कि अब मान लो कि अगर मेरे को बोलना हो x equal to +3. So always remember guys, when I am saying x equal to +3, it means what? कि मैं अपने x के right में, मैं origin के right side जाऊँगा या origin के left side जाऊँगा? Where will I go? If my x is +3, I will go to the right side of my origin or I'll go to the left side of my origin. Tell me, what do you think? Come on, tell me what do you think about it. Obviously, if I am talking about positive x, so I will be going where? I will be going towards the right side of my origin. Okay, and when I am going towards the right side of my origin, I will be going 3 units क्योंकि मेरा x 3 है, तो मैं जाऊँगा देखो x equal to 1, 2 and 3. So this is going to be my x equal to 3. Am I clear? This is going to be my x equal to 3. Similarly, if I am talking about y equal to +3, okay, tell me guys, if y is +3, I will go above or below? So because my y is plus 3, because my y is plus 3 and मेरा y कहाँ पर पॉजिटिव होता है, ऊपर या नीचे, ऊपर. So that is why when my y is plus 3 I will move up, and it will be like this, 1 and then you have 2 and then you have 3. So here you will be having what, here you will be having your y equal to 3. Okay, here you will be having what, here you will be having your y equal to 3. Am I clear with this or not, guys? Come on, tell me you got this point. Everyone clear with this point till here, guys? Make sense to everyone, yes or no? Okay, very good, very good. Now if I'm talking about x equal to -5, so which means जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ x equal to -5, इसका मतलब ये है कि मेरे को x के डायरेक्शन में -5 जाना है. Now when your x is negative, you go to the right side of origin or the left side of origin. Whenever your x is negative, you will always go towards the left side of your origin, yes or no? Am I clear? So you will be moving to the left side, and because your x is -5, so you will be saying it in this way: -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Here you will be having what? Here you will be having your x equal to -5. Am I clear? You got it? Everyone, guys, make sense to you? Okay. Similarly, now let's say your y is negative, your y is minus of 4. Your y is -4. Now because, guys, you need to understand one thing again, that because your y is negative, okay, because your y is negative, because your y is -4, so again you will be going where? Again you will be going below your x-axis, not above your origin. You will be going below your origin because your y is negative. और कितना जाओगे? Y equal to -4, यहाँ तक you will go. Okay, and this is going to be the point, that is your what? That is your y equal to -4. Am I clear with this, guys? You got it? Everyone clear with this? So when your x is positive, you will move on to the right side of x. When your x is negative, you will move on to the left side of x. When your x is when your y is positive, you will move above your origin, and when your y is negative, you will move below your origin. ये हमने अभी तक यहाँ पर देखा. Cool? Make sense? Make sense to everyone? हाँ जी, क्लियर हो अभी तक या नहीं? बताओ मेरे को फटाफट से. Everyone clear till this point or not? Tell me quickly, everyone out there. Are we clear till this point or not? Clear? So very good. Now the next thing is, guys, अगर आप एक चीज देखो अब यहाँ पर, okay, if you focus on one thing, and that thing is, if I talk about my first quadrant, so in the first quadrant you can see that your x is what? Your x is positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? The point that we have is of the form x comma y. This is the form of the point, yes or no? ये form होती है point की x comma y. And when I'm talking about first quadrant, guys, in the first quadrant you can see that your x is positive, तो यहाँ पर मैंने लिख दिया plus, ठीक है? Your x is positive, यानी कि आपके पास x क्या होगा? Plus होगा. If you talk about your y, guys, in the first quadrant, what is your y? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can see that your y is also positive, right? So y is also positive. And that is why we say that whenever we are talking about the first quadrant, okay, whenever we are talking about the first quadrant, your x and y both are positive. Is that clear to everyone or not? Hello Nirek, hello X Nova, X Viper. How are you guys, everyone? Are we clear with this? AWM, Groza, Hemant, Nirek, Nova. Then we have Eshraj Bana. Is it clear to you? Ankit, is it clear to you? Prasanna, is it clear to you? Samriddhi, is it clear to you guys? You got this, everyone? Oh, that's so nice of you, Nova, X Viper. Are you clear with this now? Please tell me. Make sense to everyone till here? You got it? Okay. Now, in the second quadrant, if I see, guys, so what is gonna happen in the second quadrant? Everyone focus. In the second quadrant, if you see, Your x is what? If you focus on your x is negative. See, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on, right? So your x is negative, so I'm putting my x equal to negative. Okay, and my y will be what? If you focus on your y, so your y will still be what? Your y will still be +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, which means positive. Am I clear? Okay, so what I'm saying is this, everyone please focus once again. What I'm saying is this, that when I'm talking about my second quadrant, तो देखो मेरे second quadrant में जो मेरे axes हैं वो कौन कौन से हैं? मेरे second quadrant के लिए जो मेरे axes हैं वो है आपका y axis ये है और आपका x axis ये है. Cool. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट के लिए मेरा y एक्सिस ये था और मेरा x एक्सिस ये था, एंड x भी पॉजिटिव होता है यहाँ पर और y भी पॉजिटिव होता है यहाँ पर. ओके कूल. जब मैं बात कर रहा हूं अपने सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट की, तो सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट के अंदर क्या हो रहा है? सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट के अंदर साफ साफ ये हो रहा है कि आपका x जो है वो नेगेटिव है, -1, -2, -3, -4, और आपका y जो है वो पॉजिटिव है, इसलिए हमने लिखा माइनस ऑफ प्लस. यू गॉट इट? माइनस आपका x और प्लस आपका y. नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट गाइस, कोई मुझे बताएगा थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में क्या कॉम्बिनेशन होगा? विल एनीवन टेल मी नाउ? if you see in the third quadrant, I am having my x as negative. Okay, मेरा x भी negative है, and अगर आप अपने y को देखोगे तो your y is -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, which means थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट पे आपका x भी नेगेटिव और आपका y भी नेगेटिव. Am I clear? You got it? So x और y का जो कॉम्बिनेशन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में बनेगा, that will be minus minus, which means x is negative minus and y is negative minus. Am I clear with this or not? नोवा, देखो x जो होता है वो नेगेटिव भी होता है और पॉजिटिव भी होता है. तो जब मैं ओरिजिन से, ये मेरा ओरिजिन है, ओके, ये मेरा ओरिजिन है, जब मैं ओरिजिन से राइट साइड की बात करूंगा तो मेरा x होगा नेगेटिव, और जब मैं ओरिजिन से लेफ्ट साइड की बात, जब मैं ओरिजिन से राइट साइड की बात करूंगा तो मेरा x होगा पॉजिटिव. ओके, और जब मैं ओरिजिन से लेफ्ट साइड की बात करूंगा तो मेरा x होगा नेगेटिव. क्लियर? यू गॉट इट? इस तरीके से हम लोग ये कहानी को परस्यू करते हैं. Am I clear with this guys? Everyone come on tell me you got this. Everyone clear with this or not? Come on tell me quickly. हाँ जी, are we clear till this point? You got it till third quadrant? Everything clear to everyone? इसके बाद मैं आपसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाला हूँ अभी, तो इसलिए मेरे को बताओ ये क्लियर हो गया सबको या नहीं? गाइस हम लोग कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री खत्म करने वाले हैं अभी इस सेशन के अंदर. ओके, सो वी विल बी कंप्लीटिंग द एंटायर कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री फॉर क्लास 9, बट यू गाइस नीड टू टेल मी आर वी क्लियर टिल हियर और नॉट? कम ऑन टेल मी. Okay, now moving forward, what I'm going to do next is this guys. अब अगर मैं फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट की बात करूं, in my fourth quadrant what will happen? In my fourth quadrant guys, if you see your x is positive, ये आपका x है, this is your x, right? And this is your y. अगर आप देखो x आपका पॉजिटिव है प्लस, लेकिन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में जो आपका y है वो ये होगा -1, -2, -3, which means y is negative. Okay, and that is why we say that in the fourth quadrant what do we have? In the fourth quadrant we have x as positive and y as negative. अब समझ में आ रहा है everyone? I'm not able to understand what you are saying, Hemant. Is sir? No, tomorrow we do not have any class, but yes, on Unacademy learning app we have a class. तो अगर आप में से कोई Unacademy learning app पर है तो वो मेरी क्लास रोजाना अटेंड कर सकता है. आई टेक क्लासेस एवरी डे ऑन अकेडमी लर्निंग ऐप. आर वी क्लियर विद दिस गाइस? हेमंत, आर यू क्लियर विद दिस टिल नाउ? नोवा एक्स वाई पर आर यू क्लियर विद दिस नाउ? अब समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं? प्लीज टेल मी. हाँ जी, यस और नो? Are we clear with this or not, guys? Everyone, come on, tell me. You got this point till here? Okay, very good. अब चलते हैं आगे. Now, when I'm talking about the points, अब अभी हमने बात करा कि कहाँ पर x पॉजिटिव है, कहाँ पर x नेगेटिव है, कहाँ पर आपका y पॉजिटिव है, कहाँ पर y नेगेटिव है. We talked about it. Now, guys, let's focus that if I have a point 2,5. Now, can you tell me your x is positive and your y is positive or not? Your x is negative or your y is negative or not? Hemant, are you on Unacademy Plus? क्या आप Unacademy Plus पर हो? If you are on Unacademy Plus, then every day we have a class from 6:15 to 7:15 for class 9th. Okay, every day we have a class for 6:15 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. for class 9. Okay. Even today as well, we have a class on Unacademy Plus platform from 6:15 to 7:15. Cool. So if you want to join us, you can surely join us. Am I clear? You got this? हाँ जी. ओके, तो मैं आपसे बात कर रहा था कि आपके पास एक पॉइंट है 2,5. ओके, very good x nova x y पर. So when I'm talking about 2,5, both are positive. Now I ask you one thing, guys. अभी अभी जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, तो your x and y both are positive in which quadrant? Can you tell me? कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में आपका x और y दोनों पॉजिटिव होता है? टेल मी गाइस, इन विच क्वाड्रेंट योर x एंड योर y बोथ आर पॉजिटिव? हेलो आदित्य, हाउ आर यू? Guys, come on, tell me in which quadrant your x and y both are positive? Okay, hold on. Exactly. When we talk about that, where we have that, just a minute, guys. So in the first quadrant, my x and y both are positive. तो जब भी मेरे पास कोई ऐसा पॉइंट आता है जहां पर आपका x और y दोनों पॉजिटिव है, तो वो कहां पर लाई करेगा? वो आपका हमेशा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में लाई करेगा. ओके, तो यहां से गाइस इट बिकम्स क्लियर टू मी व्हाट? It becomes clear to me that the point 2,5 is lying where? The point 2,5 is lying in the first quadrant. Now, the point that comes to my mind is how can I talk about this first quadrant? इस first quadrant के अंदर मैं point को plot कैसे करूँगा? So now guys, everyone please focus how to plot a point. Everyone please focus. I'm telling you how to plot a point, and then I'll be asking you some questions. So when I'm talking about plotting a point, the point 2,5 is here. I told you जो point हमारा होता है वो हमेशा x, y के फॉर्म का होता है. यानी कि आपका x कितना है इस पॉइंट में? क्या कोई मुझे बताएगा x की वैल्यू क्या है और y की वैल्यू क्या है? What is the value of x and what is the value of y in this point? What is your x and what is your y in this point? Can anyone tell me? आपका x क्या है और आपका y क्या है इस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट के अंदर? Exactly. So if you see guys, your x is what? Your x is nothing but 2. आपका x क्या है? 2 है. और your y is nothing but 5. Okay, cool. कैसे प्लॉट करेंगे? देखो, सबसे पहले मैंने आपको बोला मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ रेफरेंस ओरिजिन होता है. तो जो भी डिस्टेंस मैं लूंगा, जो भी कैलकुलेशन मैं करूंगा, जो कुछ भी मैं करूंगा, वो हमेशा ओरिजिन के रिस्पेक्ट में करूंगा. सारी चीजें, सारी कहानी कहां से शुरू होगी? ओरिजिन से. तो अगर मेरा x2 है तो सबसे पहले मैं अपने ओरिजिन से x इक्वल टू 2 पर मूव करूंगा. x इक्वल टू 2 का मतलब x पॉजिटिव है, और जब भी x पॉजिटिव होता है, आई टोल्ड यू गाइस, वी मूव टू द राइट साइड ऑफ आवर ओरिजिन. ओके, सो बिकॉज माई एक्स इज 2, अब मैं अपने ओरिजिन से राइट साइड मूव करूंगा और यहां पर मेरे पास पॉइंट आ गया x इक्वल टू 2. एम आई क्लियर? आई एम हाफ वे डन, आधा काम मेरा हो गया. माई एक्स इक्वल टू 2, आई गॉट द पॉइंट कि हाँ इस पॉइंट पे मेरा x जो होगा वो 2 होगा. यू गॉट इट? मेक सेंस? नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. जब x मेरा 2 आ गया, अब मेरे को क्या चाहिए? y 5. नाउ कम ऑन टेल मी गाइस, व्हेन योर y इज 5, यू विल गो अपवर्ड्स और डाउनवर्ड्स? ओरिजिन से ऊपर जाओगे या नीचे जाओगे? कहाँ जाओगे बताओ? राइट, ऑब्वियसली यू विल बी गोइंग व्हाट? यू विल बी गोइंग अपवर्ड्स. आप अपने ओरिजिन से ऊपर जाओगे. क्यों जाओगे ओरिजिन से ऊपर? क्योंकि आपका y क्या है? पॉजिटिव. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे गाइस, व्हेन योर y इज पॉजिटिव एंड व्हेन यू आर मूविंग अबव द ओरिजिन, तो जहां पर आपने x इक्वल टू 2 खत्म करा है, जहां पर आपका ये x इक्वल टू 2 पॉइंट आया है ना, इसी पॉइंट से अब आप y इक्वल टू 5 यानी कि ऊपर की तरफ मूव करोगे. इतना ये आप इतना ऊपर मूव करें, ये पॉइंट आपका जो है 5 के इक्वल आ गया, y इक्वल टू 5. एंड हेंस दिस पॉइंट, ये जो पॉइंट है आपका, दिस पॉइंट विल बी नोन एज 2,5. एम आई क्लियर और नॉट? यू गॉट दिस? ये पॉइंट आपका क्या कहलाएगा? दिस पॉइंट विल बी नोन एज योर 2,5 पॉइंट. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर क्लियर विद दिस? कम ऑन टेल मी गाइस. यू गॉट इट? Makes sense to everyone or not? Come on, tell me guys, you got this? Everyone clear with this or not? Soon we'll have that. Abhay Mishra, soon we'll have that. Okay, soon we'll have a Menti quiz as well. Now guys, let's move forward. Let's talk about the second thing. अब बात करते हैं अगले पॉइंट की. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो मेरे पास है गाइस, लेट्स assume the next point is -2,5. अगेन यू आर वेरी क्लियर विद दिस कि x, आपका x क्या है? यहाँ पर आपका x -2 है. Your x, this is your x, that is -2, and this is your y, that is 5. Am I clear? Your x is -2 and your y is 5. Cool. Okay, hello everyone, all the new students who have joined me. Let me call out your names if I can see them. Hello Salma Bohra, how are you? Hello Abhay Mishra, how are you? Okay, cool. I'm gonna come to your question, Abhay. So now we will be having the next class at 8:30 a.m. in the morning. Let's say on Saturday, on Friday or on Saturday we have. Okay, Saturday और Friday को हमारे दो classes हैं, दो quiz हैं, और वो दो quiz जो हैं हमारे, वो आपके एक 9th के लिए, एक 10th के लिए. So Friday को I think we have for 10th and on Saturday we have for 9th, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so just stay tuned for that. Now when my x is -2 and my y is -5, x Nova x Viper, just a moment, I think I should block you because the words you are using are not the correct, are not the appropriate words. Okay guys, so what I'm saying that my x is -2, my y is -5. Cool. Now let's move forward. x को -2 देखते हैं कि x -2 कहाँ लाए करेगा. When your x is -2, guys, can you tell me आप origin से left जाओगे या right जाओगे? Where will you move? You will move left to your origin or you will move right to your origin. Obviously your x is negative, तो आप कहाँ जाओगे? आप अपने origin से left side पे जाओगे, and x equal to -2 is here. Okay, this is what your x equal to -2, this point. Am I clear with this, everyone? You got this, guys? Everyone clear with this or not? Come on, tell me guys quickly, are we clear to this point? You got it? X equal to -2 will be this point जो मैंने mark किया है. Now let's move forward. अब आगे चलते हैं. आगे जब जाएंगे guys, so my y is 5. So when my y is 5, मैं ऊपर जाऊंगा या नीचे जाऊंगा? Will I go upwards or I will go downwards? Obviously, because my y is plus 5 and y is positive in the upper direction, so I will go upwards to have my y equal to plus 5. Okay, so from this x equal to minus 2, from this x equal to minus 2, I am going in the above direction, y equal to 5, and so this is the kind of point that I will be getting. यहाँ पर मेरा point मिलेगा, and this point is what? This point is nothing but minus 2 comma 5 point. ये बात किस किस को clear है guys? You got this everyone? Everyone clear with this or not? You got it? Hello Rishi Prakash, how are you? Okay, clear, makes sense. Now similarly guys, if I'm talking about one more point and the point is minus 3 comma minus 4, इस point के बारे में बात करते हैं. Again we will be doing the same thing. अब मैं थोड़ा सा जल्दी जल्दी करूंगा because आपको ये चीज़ें clear हो गई हैं. Hello Anil Kumar Singh, how are you? Now when I'm talking about the point minus 3 comma minus 4, my x is what? My x is minus 3, negative. Okay, my y is minus 4, again negative. Okay, your y is negative, your x is negative, so what will you do? Now if you focus over here guys, hello Mamta Patel, how are you? Your x is negative, so आप अपने origin से left जाओगे या right जाओगे, because your x comma y are both negative, because your x is negative, so you will go towards the left side of your what? Towards the left side of your origin. चलते हैं. x equal to minus 3 आपका जो है यहाँ पर lie करेगा, somewhere here. Here you will be having your x equal to minus 3. Am I clear? You got this? Okay. X equal to minus 3 will be here. You got it? Cool. When I'm talking about x equal to minus 3 over here guys, now next thing is y equal to minus 4. Now when I'm talking about y equal to minus 4, it will again lie where? Above or below? अगर आपका y negative है तो वो आपका below नीचे lie करेगा. Okay, so y equal to minus 4 will be, अब आप minus 3 से नीचे जाओगे कितना? 4 units, like this. So here you will be having a point what? Here you will be having a point that you will call minus 3 comma minus 4. You got this? Am I clear? Everyone clear with this? Everyone clear with this? You got it? Okay. Clear Mamta, clear Abhay, clear Anil. Thank you so much guys. Hello Savita, very good afternoon to you. Are you clear with this? It's all right Rishi, you can join the 10th session. Is it clear to you Soumya? Soumya, if you find it faltu chapter then you can leave the session. It's all right. Okay, we have no issues with that. Okay, cool. Abhay, I will be telling you the schedule, do not worry, but we do not follow any particular schedule. I mean, you just need to check the Unacademy learning application, or you can simply follow me, because from there you can get the latest updates of my coming classes. So if whenever we have any class, you can get the update over there. Cool. Sorted? Okay, now guys, let's move forward. Next thing that I'm having is what? Next point that I'm having is this. अब अगले point की बात करते हैं. अगले point की अगर बात करूँ guys, तो मान लो अगर मेरे पास 4 minus 2 ये point है, तो यहाँ पर आपका x जो है वो positive है, okay, और आपका y जो है वो negative है. Now your x is positive where? Your x is positive over here, यानी कि आप origin से अपना right move करोगे. Here you have x equal to plus 4, okay. Yes, I am seeing that Abhay Soumya is spamming. Let's wait for one more minute. If Soumya does not stop, तो मैं उसको block कर दूंगा. So let's wait for one more minute. Let's see if he stops or not. So x equal to 4 is what? X equal to 4 is this point. यहाँ पर आपका x equal to 4 आएगा. Cool. Here we have x equal to 4. Next is y equal to minus 2. Now when I'm talking about y equal to minus 2 guys, you need to understand, मुझे y के लिए नीचे जाना होगा या ऊपर, क्योंकि मेरा y नेगेटिव है तो मुझे नीचे जाना होगा. इट मीन्स फ्रॉम हेयर आई विल गो y इक्वल टू माइनस 2, और ये जो मेरा पॉइंट होगा ये क्या होगा? दिस पॉइंट विल बी व्हाट? दिस पॉइंट विल बी योर 4 minus 2 point. How many of you are clear with this guys? Come on, tell me. Okay, so now I tell you the very simple thing that we have, that when both x and y are positive, जब दोनों आपके x और y पॉजिटिव हैं, when both x and both y are positive, the point lies in the first quadrant. Okay, when x is negative but y is positive, when x is negative but y is positive, then the point lies in the second quadrant. When x is negative as well as your y is negative, then the point lies in the third quadrant. And when your x is positive and your y is negative, The point lies where? The point lies in the fourth quadrant. How many of you are clear with this? Come on, tell me. You got it? My name is Suyash Goyal, Mamta. Everyone clear with it? Thank you so much, Hemant. Guys, are we clear with this or not? Everyone sorted? You got this? That's how we can do it. Now, guys, what I'm gonna do is I will give you some points and आप मुझे बताओगे कि वो point आपके कौन से quadrant में lie कर रहे हैं. Cool? I will be giving you some points and you will tell me वो आपके कौन से quadrant में lie कर रहे हैं. Okay? Yeah. So if I'm talking about the first point, let's say my first point is what? My first point, let's say, is -2, 3. Come on, tell me, guys, what will be the quadrant of this? Is your first question, okay? So everyone who are writing it, please write first and then give the answer. Please write first and then give the answer, okay? First write first and then give the answer. The second point that I'm having for you is what? The second point that I'm having for you is 3, -2. Am I clear? You just need to tell me the quadrant कि ये कौन से quadrant में lie कर रहे हैं. Exactly. If we talk about what? If we talk about -2, 3. So guys, you all can see that -2, 3 के अंदर your x is what? Your x is negative and y is positive, और x negative y positive कहाँ होता है? Second quadrant में होता है. So this point is lying in the second quadrant. Very good. Now, if I'm talking about the second point 3, -2, guys. So when I'm talking about the second point 3, -2, so in this point I'm having my x is positive over here, and my y is negative, and my x is positive, y is negative in the fourth quadrant. Am I clear? You got it? Make sense? So this will be lying where? This will be lying in the fourth quadrant. Are we clear with this, guys? Everyone, you got this? Okay. Now talking about the third point, guys, the third point that I have is over here. I have a point 5, 3. Come on, tell me, where will this point 5, 3 will lie? Come on, tell me. And then we have a fourth point over here, guys, and the fourth point states that we have a point -1, -1. Haji, come on, do it. Everyone, guys, come on, tell me, where will your third point will lie? It is 5, 3. Exactly. So when I'm talking about the third point 5, 3, so because your x and y both are positive, and x and y both are positive in the first quadrant, so the point 5, 3 will lie in the first quadrant. Okay, this point will lie in the first quadrant. Very good. Now let's talk about the fourth point, guys. When I'm talking about Anil, please refresh your connection. Savita, please refresh your connection. When I'm talking about the fourth point, guys, fourth point is having -1, -1, which means what? Which means मेरा x भी negative है और मेरा y भी negative है. When my x is negative and when my y is negative, when both x, y are negative, what I'll say? I will simply say that the point is lying in the third quadrant. Am I clear with this or not? You got this? Okay. Very good. Now, guys, let's talk about something else. The next question that we have, I have the fifth point, and fifth point states that you just need to tell me the quadrant again. The point is 2, 0. हाँ जी, which quadrant is this? Come on, tell me. कौन से quadrant में lie करेगा आपका point 2, 0? I'm waiting for your answers. Haji, come on, tell me. Everyone tell me. Sandeep, Savita, Abhay, AWM, Groza, everyone. Come on, tell me. Anil, everyone tell me. आपका 2, 0 पॉइंट कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में लाई करेगा? Okay, so Abhay says in the first quadrant. Thank you so much, Mamta. Hemant says right side. What about others? Very good, Abhay. If you focus on the point 2 comma 0, so guys, you need to understand that 2 comma 0 does not lie in any quadrant. 2 comma 0 does not lie in any quadrant. 2 comma 0 is a point that will be lying where? That will be lying on your x-axis. Yes or no? कैसे देखो देखते हैं. Just a minute, guys. Let me block Prakash. Prakash is blocked. Just a minute, guys. Let me block him. He's blocked. Yeah. And who was the next one? Understand now, guys. Let's talk about 2 comma 0. अब जरा 2 comma 0 की बात करते हैं. Now when I'm talking about 2 comma 0, guys, you need to understand कि 2 comma 0 पॉइंट क्या होगा. ओरिजिन से आप जाओगे 2 की तरफ, ये आपका 2 आ गया, और फिर y आपका 0 है, तो ना तो आप ऊपर जाओगे ना नीचे जाओगे. ओके, तो ये पॉइंट जो 2 comma 0 है, ये आपका एक्सिस पे लाई करेगा, एक्स एक्सिस पे, ना कि कहाँ लाई करेगा, ना कि आपके किसी क्वाड्रेंट में लाई करेगा. Am I clear with this or not? Okay, so this point will lie on the x axis. Similarly, if I ask you, we have a point 0 comma 5. हाँ जी, ये पॉइंट कहाँ लाई करेगा? 0,5. Come on, tell me. Where will this point lie? Am I clear? Where will this point lie? 0,5. Okay, Vedant, I got it. Abhay, focus here. Let Soumya spam. It's all right. I'll take the strict action if he doesn't stop. Okay. Exactly. So when I'm talking about 0,5, when I'm talking about the point 0,5, we need to understand one thing, that 0,5 is a point that will be lying on the y-axis. Okay, 0,5 is a point that will be lying on the y-axis, because the y coordinate is what? Y coordinate is 5. Okay. Okay. So if I plot this point, तो सबसे पहला तो मेरा x जो है वो 0 रहेगा. My x will remain as 0. My x is 0. And what is my y? My y is nothing but 5. तो मैं अब अपने y axis के डायरेक्शन में ऊपर जाऊंगा यहाँ पर 5 तक, and this is going to be my point. Okay, so this will be my point 0,5. तो जिस तरीके से आपका 2,0 पॉइंट किसी क्वाड्रेंट में नहीं है, x axis पर है, उसी तरीके से 0,5 point is also not in any quadrant. It is also on the y-axis. Am I clear or not, guys? Come on, tell me quickly. Everyone got this or not? Everyone clear with this or not? Come on, tell me, guys. You got this, everyone? Everyone clear with this point till here? You got it? Cool. Sorted till this point, everyone? Okay, so guys, that is all from my side. Thank you so much for being here in the session. And now last but not the least, एक important information आप सभी के लिए, that anyone who would like to continue your studies on Unacademy, guys, so मैं आपको फिर से बता दूं कि अभी हम लोग जहाँ पर कनेक्टेड हैं, ये YouTube क्लास है, एंड YouTube क्लास में वी हैव जस्ट 1 hour. 1 घंटे में हमें डिस्कशन करना है, जो भी करना है. वी डोंट हैव वेरी मच टाइम. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, इफ़ यू सी, यहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ कुछ सेशंस होते हैं. लाइक YouTube पे मेरा एक मंथ में आई हैव जस्ट 3 सेशंस. ओके, सिर्फ 3 सेशंस मेरे होते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर मंथ में YouTube पे. तो अगर आप में से कोई भी कंटिन्यूस हमसे पढ़ना चाहता है, कंटिन्यूस हमारे साथ अनअकैडमी पर ज्वाइन होना चाहता है, तो आप प्लीज़ अनअकैडमी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करें, एंड उसके बाद यू कैन गो विद द सब्सक्रिप्शन बहुत सस्ता है. ओके, इट्स अ वेरी, I would say, very economical. The subscription charges are, it is just 1,000 rupees per month, and in that 1,000 rupees all the subjects are covered. आपके सारे subjects covered होते हैं. Cool. तो अगर आप चाहें तो वो सब्सक्रिप्शन ले सकते हैं. हमारे पास सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के एजुकेटर्स हैं, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मैथ, साइंस, सोशल साइंस, every subject is covered. And if any one of you is planning to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, we will be connected every day, guys. रोज़ हम कनेक्ट होंगे Unacademy Plus पर, जिससे कि हम लोग पढ़ सकते हैं. हम लोग Unacademy Plus पर चीज़ें सीख सकते हैं. Every day we have a class from 6:15 to 7:15 of mathematics. We have other classes for science, for Hindi, for chemistry, everything. Okay. Now talking about the referral code, अगर आप लोग सब्सक्राइब करना चाहते हैं and if you want to get 10% discount, so what you can do is आप मेरा कोड यूज़ करें. दिस इज़ माई कोड, प्लीज़ नोट इट डाउन. कोई भी जो सब्सक्रिप्शन करना चाहता है, ऑल ऑफ यू कैन नोट डाउन माई कोड, दिस विल हेल्प यू. ये कोड यूज़ करके ये कोड यूज करके आपको 10% का फ्लैट डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. तो जैसे ही आप ये कोड वहां पर यूज करेंगे, यू विल बी एबल टू गेट फ्लैट 10% डिस्काउंट. ओके, so that's all from my side, guys. Thank you so much for being here with me. I hope that you got to learn something new. Thank you so much. All the very best to you. I wish you all the good luck. Till then, take care. Okay, AWM Groza, see you there. Bye Anil, bye Savita, bye Hemant, bye Abhay, bye Mamta, bye Soumya, bye everyone, guys. Take care, and I will be seeing you. Yeah, for sure, ये कंफर्म है. AWM Groza, अगर आप ये कोड यूज करोगे तो आपको कंफर्म 10% जो मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट होता है वो आपको मिलेगा. ओके, use this code capital S, capital G, and 08. You got it now? Make sense? Okay, sorted. So that is all from my side, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Next live will be soon. Date तो मुझे exact नहीं पता, but हाँ, soon we'll be having the next live session. Okay, so that is all from my side, guys. Thanks you for being here. Take care.